tech tip where you can generate one roughing path and one finishing path, and you can merge the both the tool paths by using this technique. And this probably supports for either planar mill or any 3D paths or different 5-axis paths. So in my example, I have taken 5-axis operations. One operation is of roughing and another is for finishing. So in roughing, I have used two depths in operation, and here I have used three depths. So I want to have one roughing pass, then one finishing pass, later final roughing pass, then finishing pass, and two finishing passes. So what I did here, there is an option in NX CAM where you can go for insert, and you may observe there is a program group called Merge Planar Path. Right now I am using multi-axis, so I will go for multi-axis where I will get merge path. So right now I have used this, and I have created this particular merge path. What you need to do, you need to copy these two operations inside this, and then how you want a sequence order. Right now I have taken contour count. Depending on your requirement, you need to change. And also you can control the non-cutting moves of this particular merged path, then later generate. So what now I will simulate this. You will come to know what exactly I mean to know. I mean to show. Right now I am doing one roughing with a bigger depth. Then I am going for finishing. Later I am going for roughing. So up to the bottom I reached. Now I want to finish with two different passes for the remaining material. So like this, you have to use merge path to get appropriate result.